Hello friends, welcome to the YouTube channel of More Customers app. In the previous video, we have seen how you can add products to your online store from desktop admin panel. Now in today's video, I'll explain you some more features to manage the product section. So let's go to our More Customers application. This application I have already logged in, so here directly you can see my dashboard. I'll go in the product section, and from here if I'm selecting my product red sari, so these are the basic details of the product. Now if I want to add more, so these are some 4 to 5 features. Here you can see first one is variant management, then specification management, inventory management, courier charges and SEO tags. So today I'll discuss about the specification management. Specification management is something like if you want to specify something about your product. Particularly if I want to specify something about the sari, so what I'll specify is about the fabric of the sari, what is the work in the sari, what is the length of the sari, and if anything which I need to highlight about it is totally about specification. So now let's manage it from here. As of now there is nothing added. Now if I want to add a specification, I'll just add it from here. Select specification, and if it is not there in the checklist, you will just mention other. So in description if I am writing fabric, so in value what I'll write, Georgette. It depends and it differs product to product. Now I'll just save it. Now if I want to add some more specification, I'll just add it from here, others, and I'll write length. So length I can mention 6 meters and then save it. According to your need, you can add the specification. As of now, I am adding here work. So what kind of work is there? Embroidery. And I'll just save it. Now we will just check on our website that how the specification section looks. I'll just click it over here. This is the product which we have added. So in the above section you can see red sari, the price of the product and the description which I have mentioned, and below that you can see the specification which has been highlighted. Here in fabric you can see Georgette, length 6 meters and work embroidery. This is how you can add specific things about your product so that the customer is easy to understand and it is highlighted also. Hope you all understood about it. Now let's go back to our dashboard. Now same way, if I am writing up something about the other products in my list, so if I am writing something about say this kurti, so here what I'll write in specifications, I'll write, if I want to mention about the fabric, so I'll write cotton, and if I want to mention about the sleeves or the pattern of the kurti, so that also I can specify it. It differs product to product. Hope you all have understood about the specification management, and all other options of the product management will be explained you in the upcoming videos. So please just stay tuned with us and do like and subscribe our channel, and if there is any query or anything related to our video, please let us know in the comment section. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.